appeal advertisement is the most common form of advertisement that we often see mostly then, seldom now. It's just for me though. From the case study that I have read and analyzed with regards to Carl's Jr. used to sex to sell, I gave it a thought, and for me, for I am a woman myself, when I see a company's advertisement that incorporates a woman to sell their brand or product, it is not anymore a trend these days. Because advertisements with sexual appeals are more likely to be remembered, but doesn't necessarily mean it can sell a particular brand na. In the case study, I realized that men's and women's attitude towards purchasing a product is very far away different from each other. So, I have this 3 realization of mine towards the case study finding of Carl's Jr.'s. Number 1, not all men like sex-appealing ads anymore. Sometimes they can appear unaffected na. Kung before, men are usually being marketed by those sexy advertisements including women because nakikita nila sa kanilang mga televisions or even outside sa mga billboards and other advertisement platforms. Now, men are very into social media na, right? So, they seem to not be bothered at all kasi one click away lang, search mo lang si Ivana Alawi, makikita mo na kung gaano siya ka-sexy. Search mo sa Instagram, sa Facebook, sa YouTube, sa Twitter, makikita mo na siya. And kung sino pang ibang celebrities or models na gusto mong makita na mga sexy women these days. Number 2, women mostly find the sex-appealing ads negative na. Kasi, as a woman myself, I find it very saddening to see such women appear in advertisements with being sexually appealing to men because it seems that they are regarded as sexual objects. And most ads these days often depict women as dependent and object that serve to please men. And number 3, not all buyers are men. Just as simple as that. So, to conclude my realization, I think marketers now should think about other alternative subjects. Can be way of non-sexual advertisements besides from using women and men being sexual to promote a brand or a product. Marketers should understand as well how to capture both opposite genders and how to capture different demographics, tastes, and preferences.